So, a warm morning to all the students of class 9. This is your computer teacher Devdeep sir, and today we are again going to start a practical based chapter which is spreadsheet intermediate. Okay, now this chapter spreadsheet, we all know that spreadsheet in the text context of computer will stand for what? It will stand for the Microsoft Excel. Okay, so this is the first part of the chapter which will be a kind of introduction, so please stay tuned. So as I told you, the topic will be MS Excel. So what is an Excel? Okay, what Excel stands for? An Excel is a computer program used to create electronic spreadsheet. So what is a spreadsheet? Spreadsheet is basically a software that collects, organizes data. Okay, so first most important thing that you have to note here is spreadsheet What is a spreadsheet then, children? Software Okay, now within Excel, what are the things that can be done? We can organize data, we can create chart, we can perform calculations. Okay, now Excel as such is a convenient program because it allows user to create large spreadsheet. Yes, Excel is very much convenient because not only one spreadsheet you can create tons and tons of spreadsheet. Reference information, and it allows better storage of information, better organizing of information. Okay, and particularly Microsoft Office programs comes with a lot of features, functions, shortcut, so that makes it even more important for use. Now we will now see an overview and understand the terms. Now whenever we look at the Excel page, we will see a cluster of rows and columns are there. So Microsoft Excel workbook. Okay, what is a workbook? Workbook is a collection of worksheets. Okay, workbook, it is collection or combination of worksheets. Okay, all right. Now each worksheet contains what? Columns and rows. Now what is a cell? See, the point where a column and a row is intersecting, like A is a column, 1 is a row, so this cell A1 is called a cell. Okay, understood? So the point where row and cell intersect or meet is called a cell. Okay, now please take note of the following shortcuts in order to open Excel. First, in order to open a new workbook, that is a collection of worksheet, what will you press? Control N. Control N will be pressed. This is the shortcut. So Control N means opening new workbook. Now how to open existing document? Control O. Okay. So how to open existing document? Control O. Save to save as a document? Control S. So save to save as a document, Control S. Save as F12. For save as option, F12. For print option, Control P. Now you can also send a copy of the document to everybody using the send button. There is no shortcut for the send button. Publish means to publish it on the Microsoft library. And to close the document, shortcut key again is Control plus W. Okay, understood? So if you are having any queries, needless to say, you have to share the doubts in the WhatsApp group. Now it's time to take note of the questions. Okay, homework questions for you all. Your first question for today. What is a spreadsheet? What is the use of a spreadsheet? Second question. So what is the purpose of Excel? Number 4. What is a workbook? What is a worksheet? What is a cell? Give example. How we can open and create a new workbook. Okay, so these 7 questions you must do it in the computer copy. All right, these 7 questions are need to be done on the computer copy at the latest. Okay, and submit the photos of the answer to me. All right, so that will be all for today in your class. Stay tuned and keep studying.